Let's move on to the next segment, asanas or postures. Always check in with your posture, back and neck aligned, shoulders relaxed. We'll begin with first posture, Ardha Kati Chakrasana, also known as lateral bending pose. As you inhale, gently raise your hand sideways and upwards, reaching up towards the ceiling. Feel the lengthening of your spine. Exhale, bend towards the left side. Allow your torso to curve gently. Feel the stretch along the right side of your waist as you deepen into the pose. Hold the posture here. Maintain deep and steady breathing. Feel the expansion of your rib cage with each breath. Allow yourself to relax. Inhale as you return to the upright position, lengthening your spine once again. Keep your movement smooth and controlled. Exhale as you lower the arm. Take a moment to feel the changes before you get started with the other side. When ready, let's repeat the same sequence on the opposite side. Inhale as you raise your left hand and exhale, bend towards the right side. Remember to move with awareness and listen to your body's needs. Feel the stretch along the side as you deepen into the pose. Hold the posture here. Withdraw any effort. Continue steady breathing. Feel the expansion of your rib cage. Allow yourself to relax into the pose. Inhale, slowly return to an upright position. Lengthen your spine. Exhale, bring your arm down. Relax your arms and your shoulders. We will explore half-wheel pose, also known as a gentle back bend done on a chair. Check your posture. Place your hands on the chair beside your hips. Fingers pointing forward towards your feet. Press firmly into the chair. Alternatively, you can also place your hands on your waist. Inhale deeply, engage your core. Gently lift your hips. Feel the openness in front of your chest. Look up towards the ceiling, coming to a gentle back bend. Hold the posture here, breathing deeply and steadily. Allow your chest to expand as you lift your heart towards the ceiling. Breathe in and out in the final position. As you exhale, slowly lower your hips back down to the chair. Maintain awareness. Release your arms. Relax your neck and shoulders. Notice the changes. Take a deep breath or two. Relax before we move into the next posture. Let's explore Padahastasana, also known as hands to feet pose. Sit up tall with your hands resting. Take a deep breath. Begin to raise your arms overhead, reaching up towards the sky. Lengthen through your spine and feel the stretch along your sides. As you exhale, hinge forward from your hips, bringing your chest towards your thighs. Keep your spine long, moving your gaze forward. Reach your hands down towards the feet or the floor. Allow your head to relax towards the knee. If you are unable to reach the feet, simply keep your hand hanging towards the floor or at your knees. Hold the posture as you breathe deeply and fully. Feel the stretch along the back of your legs. Enjoy the sensation of release in your spine. Relax. When you're ready to release, slowly roll up to a seated position, stacking each vertebra one at a time. Slowly come up to a sitting position, releasing your arms. Relax your shoulders and neck. Let's explore Trikonasana, the triangle pose. Begin by finding a posture that is comfortable for you. Keep your feet about 3 feet apart. On your next inhalation, raise both arms up to shoulder level, and as you exhale, gently stretch and lean towards your right side, reaching your right arm down towards your right foot. Extend your left arm overhead, stretching up towards the sky. Feel the lengthening stretch along the left side of your body. Hold the posture here, breathing deeply and fully. Keep your chest open. Ease into the pose. Relax. Come back to the center and relax. Let's repeat this on the opposite side. Inhale deeply. Stretch your arms. Exhale. Gently lean towards your left side this time, reaching your left arm down towards the left foot, extending your right arm overhead. Feel the stretch along the right side of the body this time. Continue to breathe deeply and fully. Hold the posture. Feel the expansion and opening along the right side of your body. Breathe in and out. And when you're ready to release, slowly come back to center, bringing both hands back to your thighs. Take a moment to notice how you feel. Release your hands and legs. Relax. Let's continue with Kapotasana, also known as Pigeon's Pose. A wonderful stretch for the hip and lower back. Let's start with the right leg. Carefully lift your right foot and place your right ankle on your left knee, creating a figure 4 shape with your legs. Ensure that your right knee aligns with the right ankle as much as possible. Sit up tall. Elongate your spine. Take a deep breath. Gently lean forward as you stretch your arms forward. Release the hands. Find a posture that feels comfortable for you. Notice the stretch in your right hip and buttock. It's important to keep your foot flexed to protect your knee. Hold this position, breathing deeply and allowing the tension in your right hip to release with each exhalation. You should feel a gentle, soothing stretch, not pain. If it feels too intense, ease back gently. To come out of this pose, gently lift your arm, raise your torso. Exhale, carefully lower the arms, lower your right foot, relax. Let's repeat this practice on the other side. Lift your left foot, place on your left ankle. Remember to flex your foot and keep your knee in line with your ankle. Inhale deeply, lengthen your spine, stretch your arms. Exhale, gently lean forward, hinging at the hips. Feel the stretch in your left hip this time. Breathe deeply, allowing your body to relax into the pose. Ease back if you need to. Breathe in and out as you hold. When you are ready, slowly lift your torso and lower the left foot back to the floor. Release your arms, legs. Take a moment to notice the sensations in your hips and back. Release and relax. Next, we'll move into seated spinal twist, Vakrasana. Let's start with a twist to the right. Place your left hand on the outside of your right knee. Take your right hand and reach behind you, placing it on the backrest of your chair. Inhale deeply, lengthen your spine upwards. As you exhale, gently twist your torso to the right, using your hands as a gentle leveler to deepen the twist. Turn your gaze over your right shoulder, if that's comfortable for your neck. Continue to hold the posture. Keep your feet firmly planted and your hips facing forward to ensure the twist originates from your mid-spine. Breathe in and out as you hold. With each exhalation, ease into the pose a little more. To release the twist, inhale and slowly return to center, bringing your hands back to your lap. Pause for a moment. Notice any sensations. Relax. Let's switch sides and repeat the practice on your right side. Bring your right hand now outside of the left knee and your left hand on the backrest of your chair behind you. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and as you exhale, gently twist to the left. Keep your feet grounded and your hips facing forward. Allow your gaze to follow, turning over your left shoulder. Once you are in the final position, stay there with slow and rhythmic breathing. With each exhale, you can gently deepen the twist if that feels okay for you. Notice the movement along the spine, the twist along the spine as you hold. To come out of the twist, inhale as you gently return to center. Take a moment to sit quietly, feel the energy, the sensations moving through your spine. Setu Bandhasana or bridge pose. This practice is done in supine position. You can do this from your bed or on the yoga mat. Bend your legs at knees. Keep your feet flat on the surface, hip width apart, and your arms by your sides. Let's connect with the breath. Take a deep breath in. Fill in your lungs. Begin to gently lift your hips towards the ceiling. Press your feet and arms firmly into the bed or the mat. As you exhale, lower your hips back down to the bed or mat, releasing the pose with as much ease as you can. Continue the movement. Allow your spine to articulate down and up, gently connecting with breath. Let's repeat this movement. Inhale, lift your hips up, engage your core, glutes, and your hamstrings. As you exhale, smoothly lower your hips back down. Notice the soothing effect of synchronizing the movement and breath. Deepen your awareness into the practice. Inhale as you move into the pose. Allow your chest to rise towards your chin. Exhale as you gently rest the lower back and hips. Hold this pose with slow breathing, just for a few counts. When complete, you may stop the practice, release the hips down, relax your hands and legs. Let's transition to Pavana Muktasana, also known as the wind release pose. This pose is excellent for releasing tension in the lower back and improving indigestion. Keep your legs bent at knees. As you inhale, gently drop both knees towards your chest. Wrap your arms around your shins, just below your knees, holding them gently if that's possible. As you exhale, gently pull your knees closer to the chest, feeling a gentle stretch in your lower back. Allow your head and neck to be resting on the bed. Let's hold this pose for a few breaths. With each breath in and out, begin to release and relax your abdomen and chest. When you have completed, to release the pose, release your legs one by one. Remember, we can also do this pose one side at a time. Bring one thigh to the chest, hold for a moment, gently stretch, switch, release and bring the opposite thigh to the chest, release and switch. You can do this practice for a couple times. This is a great pose for releasing physical tension and emotional stress. After completing, let your hands and legs relax, completely relax.